Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use greater than or equal instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my schematic manager software. And here click on finish. And then we will go to PLC, and here we can go to upload station to PG. And here click on view. If your PLC will connect it with your PC, with that CPU will be shown here. Click OK and again click OK. Again put on view, after which program will be inside the PLC, that will be backup. Click OK and your program will be backed up. You can see all blocks are coming, and here you can see as which PLC schematic 300 and that CPU model number 314 IFM, and click on blocks and double click on again blocks. After you will be find your main program. So which program is inside your PLC, that is now shown here. Go to views, zoom factor 200, click OK. It will be good to visible. That already this I designed inside the PLC, but I will try to understand. For again I will delete and again put for you, what you will be better understand. This I put input address, my first input address of my PLC 124.0, and next we will choose one counter. This first counter I will choose, that name you can give C0 or any which you want, and here in second we will give the address I 124.1, and for reset the counter you can any address also you can give I 124.3, and current value where you like to be see, that you have to be put any data register. For example MW10 I will choose for see the data of my counter, and this data register we will be compare with our compare instruction. Go to the comparator commands, and this is not equal command, this is greater than command, and this is less than command, which is already I explained in previous lectures. If you like to learn about these commands, see my previous lectures. And this is compare and teacher for greater than or equal instruction. So click in, double click, select it here and double click. After you will get the compare instruction greater than or equal, and here we will give the address, which address we will see the increment at MW10. So here we will write MW10, and here we will give any MW20 for set point, which figure we like to be compared with our this output. So this program I will download to the PLC. If you like to give the title here, you also you can give the title. For example, this is the counter section, counter, and here this one you like to be give greater than or equal. uh, greater or equal. You can give the comments also. After will be next videos, I will give you also how we can write the comments at the, this is your network comment, and here you can give the internal comments and write to the PLC, and after make the monitor system on. Your PLCs go to in run mode, and as per this you can see here's MW20, we not give any data, so we modify this one, and here for example I will give 10 value. So what's we define it here, 10, whenever this output and this MW20 when equal with MW10 are greater than, means 10 after greater than or equal after this value will be on. And here is MW10 already have 22 value because of this may be old value, so we give the signal at 124.1 to decrease this value, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, as will be this equal with the can see 9, and now because of this is less than 10, if we decide it here 9, after this will be on, but it's we decide it here after 10 or more than 10 value, if we find it here after our output needs to be on. So one value I will, one signal at I will give at 124, so you can see our output is now on. And now next, how much signals coming, that's nothing issue, 15, 16, 20, how much, that will be no problem. But this command, this function working as equal or greater than. If this 10 you like to be changed this data, you can go to modify and you can put here 20 example, and you can see output is going to off because of we decided here 20. So this command anywhere you can use in the program, but when you use in the program, use your own method. This is just only learning purpose and the functionality of compare instruction greater than or equal. Hope guys you will be understand about this. If not understand anything, you can send me email or send me comment in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.